Email marketing, why is it important for your business? Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is Crossing Seas, adventure from employee to employer. Let's go from just a working Joe to someone who actually can live the life they want to live, someone that could actually help others. All right, let's get to the slides. So what is email marketing? Email marketing is simple. You connect with customers or potential customers through your emails. So this could be any sort of email. It could be a simple hi, it could be promotions, promoting a certain product, or just simple follow-up emails. You see that they abandoned a cart. It's very simple, it's very direct. So why is email marketing important? So let's say you have 100 visitors to your website. Only 2 of them are going to make purchases. 90% of visitors to a website do not buy anything. Say 100 people added stuff to your cart. 70% of those carts are abandoned. So only 30% of carts that are made actually make it to this to being purchased all the way through the transaction. Email marketing will improve these numbers. I'm going to walk you through a simple scenario so that you could actually see the impact of follow-up emails. So let's say you have 100 people add to their carts. So they come to your website and 100 people add stuff to their carts. Only 30 of those carts are going to actually see purchases. 70 of them are going to be abandoned. Follow-up emails for abandoned carts have a 10% conversion rate. So you send one email to each individual that abandoned their cart, and you're going to get about 7 carts recovered. That's 10%. 10% of 70 is 7. So the number of your sales go from 30 to 37, which is about a 23% increase in transaction. So another question is, what is it going to cost me? So send out emails. To have an email marketing, have a strategy. It's really simple. You just pay for email service and some tools that will help you simplify the whole process. So email marketing has a great return on investment. I heard some say that for every $1 that you invest, you'll get a return from anywhere from $38 to $42. Some say the ROI is 120%. Either way, you'll get back more than what you put into it, and that's the whole point of business, right? So email marketing is really powerful in that way. So what is it going to cost you monthly for email service? Email services can cost you anywhere from $10 to $1,000 a month. If you're just starting out, you could totally get away with the $10 a month. Ways to use email marketing: follow-up emails, again with the abandoned cart. Also, upselling. So if someone bought shoes, you could sell them socks, send them a promotion on socks right into their inbox. Solo ads, if you don't even know who they are, you can rent someone else's list and email them brand new ads. Email brand new customers or potential customers with your ads, and it'll generate traffic. Launch a new product. If you have a brand new product and no one knows about it, email marketing will put that again directly into your email inbox, and they'll see it directly to them. And you can also personalize these things. You can personalize the emails so it sounds like you're talking directly to them. Any sort of promotion you could use email marketing for. So if you have a sale on shoes, if you have a sale on socks, hats, whatever it is, you could promote that as well. Even if it's a new service you're promoting, let's say website SEO or SEO, website SEO. You could promote a new website or YouTube channel. If you have a new blog website, you could simply send them an email and they'll be aware of it now. Even with your YouTube channel, say if you have a YouTube channel geared towards whatever it is that they came to your website for, then that's another way for you to generate traffic, for them to stay in contact with you. And so it's very, very flexible. Email marketing is very effective, it's very cheap, it's very inexpensive. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to hear, what topics you want me to cover. Let me know what I can improve on. In the description below, there's going to be a link to the same ebook that got me on this journey to becoming an entrepreneur, to becoming financially independent. and I want you to have that same opportunity that I have. And so thanks again. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you again. This is Court Crossing. This is Crossing Seas. This adventure from employee to employer.